May Mendoza update. Yung post ni May sa kanyang social media account for Cetaphil. And nag-Dow Smash pa si May dyan. Dow Smash Queen. Ito yung video.
I think you should treat yourselves. I know you were thinking about it, and you were like, oh, I don't know. Do it. Do it. Who's gonna stop you? Me? No. So go get it.
Ang galing ni May. Nakulit pa nga ni May dito eh. May bumunot si May. Nagka-finger heart. Matagal yung mga dabber guys dyan eh. Ano? Yellow team. Ano, nakali yellow team.
Hello po!
Hello po.
Nako.
Nakakang ko sila ng Kuya Carl. Ito yung IG story ni May. Ayan, nanali yellow team. Ngayon 2025. Ayan, Itbulaga Olympics. Ayan, Squid Game Edition. Ang galing ng team yellow eh. Yellow team eh. Ayan, teamwork. Kaya nanalo sila eh. Saya nila eh. No? Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.